Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this particular set of videos, we're continuing to talk about the labor certification and PERM and what's needed, and I'd like to give some information or some more information on recruitment. Now, again, the whole purpose of recruitment is to show that there are no available U.S. workers for the position. So, of course, the way that the ad is typed needs to be done exactly. The wording, the positioning, everything needs to be done exactly in order to have the best chances of success. But one of the requirements with a perm is there must be a job order with the SWA. Now the SWA is the state workforce agency, so for example, if you're from California, then that would be the EDD, and it's always named something different in whatever state you're from, but the job order must be open with the SWA for a period of 30 calendar days and no earlier than 180 days before filing the ETA 9089. And that's, the basic PERM form. So you have to put on your calendar to file the SWA and then calendar plus 30 days at least to file the 9089. Now, of course, if the timing is not correct, if, for example, you file the 9089 29 days after it was the job order was placed with the SWA, then of course it'll be denied. Or if it's filed 181 days after, then it'll be denied. So it's very critical that you time it correctly. Also, the posting at the state workforce agency must contain the correct prevailing wage. So obviously before that you need to get the job description, you need to file the correct form 9141 in order to get the prevailing wage, and the asking wage must be at least the prevailing wage or higher. It wouldn't make sense to make it higher because that means you're going to get more people to apply. So you ought to just make it the prevailing wage and no more. You make sure the prevailing wage is correct. Don't put a, don't put a typographical error in there of 30 cents or whatever, because there's actually been cases that have been denied because it was a typographical error. So do get that SWA posting, time it right, make sure it's all in there correctly, and then you'll be ready for the next step. Okay, more in the coming videos.